Hello everyone, I am Kadre Suresh Babu and I am working as ServiceNow developer at Palni. In today's video, we are going to learn about request management lifecycle in ServiceNow. We will go through each stage step by step with a simple explanation. Request management is used to handle user requests like laptop request, access request, software installation, and many more. Cycle contains five stages: request submission, approval process, task fulfillment, completion, and closure. Now let's understand each stage. In first stage, the user submits a request from the service catalog. The user selects a catalog item, then fills the required details. After submitting the form, the system creates request RITM. The stage is called request submission. After the request is created, it goes to the approval stage. The request is sent to the manager or approver. The request state becomes pending approval. Approval can approve or reject. If approved, request move to fulfillment team. If rejected, request will be closed. This stage is called approval process. After approval, the system creates catalog tasks. Tasks are called SCTASks. Task, tasks are assigned to the fulfillment team. Example, IT team, HR team, admin team. The teams perform the work and updates the task status. This stage is called task fulfillment. After SC tasks are completed, RITM will be automatically marked as close complete. When all RITMs are closed, request will also close automatically. In the final stage, the request is closed. User confirmation may be taken. Sometimes the system auto closes the request. Now the request lifecycle is completed. This concludes the complete request management lifecycle in ServiceNow, covering all stages from submission, approval, fulfillment, completion, and closure. In the next video, we will learn more about ServiceNow concepts. Thank you for watching.